What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So today I'm just taking a break from the motor. I managed to get the transmission off, and the transmission is over here, and I still need some, so I guess I need some type of special tool to get the clutch off of the block. But today I am taking it easy today, and I'm going to focus on just a little bit of cleaning. There's a lot of grease on here, and today I'm just going to focus on just cleaning this transmission up, and I really want to polish it. I really do want to polish it. I never polished anything before, but I really want to try and polish this. So, I don't know, guys, just hang out with me and see what today brings. So, I had some purple power. I love this degreaser. So I just been spraying it all. Over the transmission. But yeah, let it do its thing and try to get some of this grease caked off of there. And I'm gonna come back with my brush and just try and get all of this grease off of there before I move on to the next step. I don't know, but it's been fun hanging with you guys though. You guys leave some dope comments down in the comments, and I love to read you guys' comments. So you guys just keep leaving comments, and I'll keep doing my best to answer them. Now, I'm not a professional at anything I do. I said this in a lot of my other videos. I'm just somebody out here that's trying to make my car look nice. That's really just it, and I hate when things break. And yeah, that's pretty much me. There's a lot of caked up grease in here, man. Water hose is broke and busted on me, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, that'll work. I don't know, after spraying it down with some water, I think it looks really good now. What do you guys think? I'll probably go through and hit it one more time, but I think it looks good. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to go grab some polish and sand this down a little bit, and I think I'm going to polish it. I think I want to see it polished. I was going to paint it. What's up, baby girl? Oh. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I think I'm going to polish this. And I still need to take that clutch plate off, which is going to be, I don't know. Okay, AJ. You won?
Yeah.
All right.
Now you say go, go, go.
Go, go, go. I still need to take this clutch plate off. I need the special tool for that. Then I get this plate off. Okay. And then I still need to clean the engine. I need to clean all of the engine.
I win, Daddy.
Okay. I want to take this off and polish. Go. To be honest, I kind of think I'm overwhelming myself doing all this. I really need to make a checklist of everything that I need to do, because I'm kind of just going in it and just tackling it piece by piece, and then every time something happens, I just go from there. So I really do need to make a list of everything that I need to do still, because I know what I need to do, but the more that I know, the more that I forget. And yeah, so I'm gonna throw the list up on the screen. List. That's all. But that's my list, and maybe I'll add things to it or take from it. If you guys have anything that I forgot, or maybe I need to add in the list, do drop it down in the comments. I know some things kind of just run together. I know I need to fix the whole motor, but what the heck. But yeah, let me know, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video.